Eastlift. This is a really fun font. I think what we're going to do is try to create a sort of a 3D feeling logo with this one. We're doing that by kind of doubling up our layers. What we're going to do here is just kind of bring these little bits forward. And this looks really messy right now, but soon we'll fix it. You just got to finesse the curves. Well, I guess in this case, finesse the edges. You know, I wonder what this one would look like with this font with sort of, you know, this is a really cool font, but there's limited things that you can do with it, I feel, when you turn it to outlines. But now we're just going to add in some stuff to, you know, we are really pushing the Future Racer feel. This almost feels like a cafe or something that you'd see in a Future Racer style, like manga or something. I really, really like